Now, watch this. Chipezeze kushoda ukuthi umncabuze. We are fighting relegation. Consistent is not scoring a lot of goals. Bakupasile, we are all alone. Mfana kithi, your first touch, it goes up. You are a professional player, my man. Yeah? Bheka ukuthi ukuphi. Phakathi inside the net. Suka. Sanibonani. Welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Makesi 1, Kaizer Chiefs 4. From game Saturday, not a good game from Chiefs, right? Not a good game, but it's a sign of a good team where you don't do well in terms of playing structure, but you still win by 4-1. Those are good signs. I'm not even negative because it's very difficult to criticize a team that won by 4 goals, guys. It's very difficult. But what I can say is, if you accept things in a win, you must accept them in a defeat. Because if you don't correct them, they are going to come back and bite you and base in your car, right? What most coaches always say, the best time to coach your players is when everyone is happy. Must win. Now, let's start. Before I start, thank you for the support. Thank you for the messages, Guma comments. Nyabonga, guys. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Now, let's start. Today, I'm not going to show you any structural plays because the quality of the Chiefs players is disappointing, especially coming from Ikema Saturday or Sunday. Okay, sharp. Now we're gonna start Nema case. They had a chance, ne? Ipolele Chiefs. Nice passage of play, but the last pass was bad. Now, counter attack. Decision making. Today, ngicala decision making. Sibanyoni was signed by Sundowns, or he was a player Sundowns from good development. Now I see why he didn't get opportunities to play. Now, the first thing here, Angeke Sizo split one pass as 2 defenders. That's bad. It means one person agamanga gash. Now nizo decide and you go to ban because bazo saying now, hey, ninja. Now here, this guy is right-footed. Umakati is left-footed. So what do you do as a striker? As a striker, you must know how to shoot with both feet. So if this guy, Ongmakile, Ukatlela, his strong foot is left, why do I want to come to his strong foot? Why? Why don't I come? Because foot, where Sigupi space, there's space on his left-hand side. Not here. The moment you busy, abantu bayeza la. Instead of taking one step and shooting with your left, why do you want to come to your right foot? Now, how many people? Decision making. Simple lento leyo. Awungeke uzothi uyi-striker wena njalo ufuna ukukola ngenyawo lakho eli-strong. Use your left foot. First goal Khosi Nation. The first goal of the game. Now, throw in the Kaizer Chiefs, right? Rotate the ball. This was a beautiful move, guys. This was a beautiful move. The person who made it beautiful is the striker. Out of all the foreign players, Kaizer Chiefs, there's one player that I would keep me, or I would start in this squad match, and that is with Silva, because Silva Fox, those beautiful touches he's just like Ushaulile. If you look at Ushaulile, he's not pleasing to the eye, but they always do something that makes them start in the game. Yeah, they will do something with how Lomuntu Lo. But special, those players, you need them in the box. I wouldn't play Ulilepo mean. Ulilepo had a game. I wouldn't play Ulilepo and I wouldn't play Umikael. But that was a great pass, and this was also great. Bringing ball down. Even though I wouldn't play them, doesn't mean Uguti, I must not give them their praises when they do well. Second goal, Chiefs, they scored via a corner kick, right? Before I show you the goal, Chiefs had a corner kick earlier on in the game. Now, watch this. We are fighting relegation. And you are busy hugging players. Now watch what happens. This is Chipezezo no two, right? Chipezezo no two. Chipezezo bega haka utu. Now watch what happens. Nakia. Now, this is Utuba here. This is Utuba next to Chipezez. This time Chipezez agam nigezi hack. Okay, cross. He's standing next to him. Cross. Oh, Chipezez. Utuba scores the goal. When the corner kick started, he was next to him. Now let's look what happened. Chipezeza is complaining. Why are you complaining, Mfanagit? Let's look. Now, Utuba Begala. Then he drifts. He gives him space. Maybe Begangafuni space. Begafunu kumhaka. Because Utema Gamnigezi space. Uchipezeza uyenzani. The reason why Imakesi ila penzant is because of his injuries. So, ifuna ukuhaga ama-player nine-boxing. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Buffet to times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Second half. Yeah, guys, this is second half. It's going to be a short video. I was not impressed. Chiefs couldn't string for my 5 passes or 10 passes. It was bad, even in the second half. Okay, they had chances, or a half chance. Now let me show you. Okay, this is Umunyan. No, this is actually about Imakes in terms of their defensive structure. You must never forget Uguti, which player you're supposed to be picking up. Now, left winger, right back. Now, Chiefs plays the ball to the keeper. They were struggling in terms of combination play, building up from the back. And I know why. It's just that, like I said, I don't want to be negative because Bazoting jealous, Bakore 4 goals, right? Sharp. You look at this guy, he's the left wing on it. Where is Munyan? Munyan is all alone this side. Now, iphumile iChiefs kule siqukuquku lesesenza kanile lapha. Sharp. This is Munyan. Guy, ukhohliwe ngontanga la. First touch, bro. This is why Imakes is down there. And this is why iChiefs is not consistent, is not scoring a lot of goals. Bakupasile, we are all alone, Mpanagiti. Your first touch, it goes up. You're a professional player, my man. Yeah? If you're abanye abantu who are not professionals, yes, we understand. You're a professional player. Bakupasi ball, still goes up. Then kwamele control it. Then at least ushaye i-target ke. Goal number 3. Goal number 3. Watch this run yakadu. Okay, sharp. By 5 la ne. Uzobona. By 5 and then by 5 press on 5. And then there's 5 Chiefs players. If we are going to leave 5 at the back, or if it's going to be 5 against 5, then we have to win the second ball. I mean the first ball. We have to win it. We have to win the ball. We don't have a choice, but we have to win this ball. They don't win it. Now watch this guy. Recover, mfana git. Recover, mfana git. Banna. Good finish. Good play by Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, guys, you don't have to score a goal by build up play. No. There's many ways to skin a cat or to kill a cat. There's different ways to score a goal. It was via a free kick. Like I always say, avoid unnecessary free kicks. Was this free kick avoidable? Now let's look. Siyabanika balfuni, siyanigana. Now, don't foul, relax. Foul. Utonzu muntu, was it necessary? It was not necessary because it's you la a mover, you are putting pressure, then you have your teammate here, ufaka pressure now, but you decide ukumdonsa. For what? For who? Okay, fine, we've given them the free kick now. Can we defend the free kick? Can we defend? We have to defend the free kick. Beautiful cross, beautiful finish, but bad marking. Simple thing, J. You can't be giving, guys, if it's a free kick, you can't be giving players space to run. Free kick, corner kick, you can't be giving players to run. When you okay. The main problem, Umayo. This is too much space. You don't even know. Umayo does not know, Guti, where is this guy? Because he's ball watching. This guy is there. And then he makes the run in front of him. It's not gonna work, my man. Look. No. You can't block someone ongazi ukuthi ukuphi or omnikeze space. You're supposed to be tight kuye. Chappies. Last goal of the game. This was actually a beautiful cross and a beautiful head. But again, in my case, I'm gonna show you why this team is down there. The reason that they are down there is in this game, you could see now. There's a player here. There's a left back here. As a left back, if you are supposed to be blocking, guys, you're supposed to block the pathway of the person abazumpasa. Right? If I'm free, I'm supposed to be shielding Uguti if at least balpasele emu. This guy ubambifika all alone. Ubambifika. No pressing whatsoever. Cross. Pagat inside. Beautiful header. Now, I'm gonna take it back. Watch. Suka. So now, this guy, you are supposed to be blocking the pathway, guys, the passing lane. Yaga lilepo. Bam pass ipola la. Rather this guy apposi pola lane. And it sharp. Now, defending here. Ball comes there. This guy is not defending this guy. There's no way you can have someone when umela and then there's a striker here. No chance whatsoever. Now, what Chipes is. What are you doing there, Chipes? What are you doing? There's no way. This guy will never score from there. If Umela he won't score from here. I mean, from here, he won't score there because futhi you can see the ball, so you can always uhambe uyovimba ibhola. So if you are standing here, ibhola badlala la, angeke uphume because you are too far. You are too far from the ball. Now watch what happens. Oh. Look at uChipezes. Look at uChipezes. Umelayinini. Alikho ibhola ozolivimba umelayinini. It's because you, in the first place, you were standing in the wrong position. If he was standing here, you could have easily came out and punched the ball or abambi ball. Easily. Let me take it back. Simple. Bafethu. Bochipezes lidlala karolo. What uChipezes? Okay, forget about this guy. Ne? What uChipezes? If he doesn't go there and just stands, he could easily come out and get the ball. Yeah? Phakathi inside the net. Suka. No, this team. The problem with this team, they had a chance. Last year they survived. You pay the coach. Give him what he wants. Eh? You decided good to know when you want cheap labor. Look now, you're fighting relegation again. Bafethu. Now I'm disappointed, guys. The video is over. I'm disappointed by performance here Chiefs. In terms of structure, from what they did in the last game, beautiful. I loved it. But what I did yesterday, I know. Maybe it's because of the pitch, Imvula Beyina and stuff like that. But we have to give credit. They still won even though they played bad. Please like Bafethu, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget to join, become the member. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.